Steve, how long have you been seeing us for? How long have you been our patient?
Since the 90s.
The 90s, that's
Yeah.
crazy. You're right.
Over 20 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you live in San Diego now?
No, I live in San Diego, but I live in Santa Rosa too.
How are the chiropractors in San Diego,
They're
Steve?
horrible. The chiropractors in San Diego are horrible.
What's wrong with them?
I don't know. I couldn't even find one. I mean, I've been to 3 of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
3 of them. One guy quit, but he was the only and the reason I went to him was my neck was all tight, and that was the only thing he could do was really adjust my neck. He really didn't adjust anything else.
Right.
The other guy, this one guy named Kohler, he's a really nice guy. He does adjustments, but he just does his certain way. One way he's not like Brian.
Gotcha.
He's nothing like Brian. He just does the same adjustment to everybody.
Cookie cutter process.
Yep.
Clear up his rib cage, fix up that shoulder.
Yeah, you did.
Lay it on your stomach.
Yeah, you did. I felt that was awesome.
I just saw Steve last week, so he should be doing pretty good.
That's doing really good.
Legs are nice and even, so his pelvis is good.
Yeah, it's basically my shoulder.
Yeah. Now, down your back. Right there. There you go. Roll over on your back, Steve.
Yeah, they're not. They're not. No, the chiropractors are horrible in San Diego.
Drop your head. Just let it fall. There you go. There it goes.
Yeah. This guy's. I come all the way from San Diego to see your husband. I told Carrie, I said, I'm going to see him a couple times.
Yeah. Well, we love seeing you, Steve, when you come up.
And I got a new bed coming. I couldn't take it anymore.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sleeping on my son's bed. Him and his wife are sleeping on my Tempur-Pedic. So I went to Mattress Firm and bought a Tempur-Pedic.
There you go. All right, let's sit you up. Turn that way. There we go.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, yeah, so
Stand
much
up. We'll
better.
check your arm.
So much better. You see what happens, Kel, when I come to see your husband?
Yep.
I'll be in San Diego, and it's like I need to go see these guys every day just to get. It's incredible.
There we go.
Just San Diego, San Diego.
Yep. Awesome.
Awesome.
Hey.
Thank you, sir.